Kimberly Cummings, representing the St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation and the Albion Citizens Association.
Right. So what is the mission of your foundation?
The St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation is geared towards building St. Thomas. So what we want to do is to see St. Thomas great again. So going back in history, St. Thomas was a very productive parish, and we want to empower the persons living in St. Thomas so that they can create that kind of business community spirit and build a parish. So things that we look at is funding education, healthcare, and just anything to help to improve living in St. Thomas.
Right, so you're partnering with the Judge Foundation here today, which we welcome you. Tell us what contribution you made here today.
So today we offered breakfast to some persons, some volunteers who didn't get breakfast before. We offered fruits and we offered coconut water. So persons who love the little
coconut water is important. Judge, I love coconut water. Yeah.
So it's here today on behalf of the St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation.
What are your thoughts on the work that organizations like the Judge Foundation is doing in the area?
Well, I'm very, very pleased. As I mentioned before, it's a great initiative. There are so many persons who are in need of health care, who are in need of dental care, and the level of service that was offered today is exceptional.
Top tier, you like it?
Top tier, yes.
Okay,
very thorough.
And what made you want to play the role, get in the role of giving back that you currently play right now? What made you want to get into the giving back business?
I mean, I grew up seeing it, so both parents, whether it was through the church or the Kiwanis Club, my dad was a president of the Kiwanis Club, and so it was just important for me to always give back. I saw what it did to improve the lives of others, and these organizations that I'm aligned with help greatly in improving so many lives. Even right now, the St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation is giving away over 200 Chromebooks to various schools and libraries across St. Thomas.
That's good. Do you guys do any work with popcorn from down here? Or Skilly Bang or any of the big stars from down here?
We have not yet had the opportunity to, but it definitely is something that we'd welcome.
Right, so if anyone wants to know anything more about your foundation, St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation, what should they do? Where should they go?
Okay, so we are on the internet, we are on Facebook, we are on Instagram, we are an organization registered locally as well as internationally. So you can just put in St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation and you will find us either on Facebook, Instagram, or St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation.org.
Okay, well thank you so much and keep up the great work, okay?
Thank you, and thanks for being here.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it.